All right, we are in business. 1080p. Okay. All right, start the video on yours, please. صورتمو سعی کن نگیر. هیچ کس حرف نزنه. آره اونجوری بگیر. لندسکیپ. نگاه کن اینجاشو انداختن زمین. Alright, اینجا رو بگیر. Hit the box.
Okay, it's fine.
Alright, so here we are with the Apple Watch. Red buckle, gold edition. As you can see, they've didn't really care for the box, even though they said they would send a courier with a suit and tie. The guy was wearing a vinyl jacket. But hey, at least we got the watch. So here's the first unboxing video I could find online of the Apple Watch edition red. Comes with these other things here. Alright, here we go. Let's set this aside. So as you can see, right here, 38mm, 18 karat yellow gold, red modern buckle. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open it. Here we go. Whoa. Sounds like fireworks. Okay. There we go. Oh, no red box. There it is. We'll set this stuff aside for now. Alright, we'll get some gloves on. Okay. Don't want to mess up this new watch yet. Alright, one glove. Two gloves. Patience virtue. Alright. Here we go. 17,000 plus tax for a watch. Okay, here we go. There's a charging port on the back. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. Open it like this. It's so shiny. Anti-tarnished filter. Discard after unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. Let's see how they don't pick it up. Alright. Here it is. It's much heavier than I thought. Here's the buckle. Leather looks really nice. Very shiny. Here's the digital crown. You can see. Can't turn it yet. Got to take off the plastic. So here we go. I'm going to take off the plastic. Wow. She's a beauty. Guess I got to take it out of here too. All right. Pull it out from here. All right. Pull this somehow out. Okay, come on. Without messing up the leather. I think I gotta take off the plastic first. Technical difficulties. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, and I accidentally turned it on too. Let's see what happens when you turn on a $17,000 smartwatch. There we go. And you can see the back.
Stop moving it so much. Nice.
Okay, almost on, I think. See how the digital crown is turned. Oh, nice and smooth. There's the buckle. Wow. Very shiny. You can look at this ring in contrast to Apple's gold. Also a gold ring, you can see that the Apple Watch is much brighter. Much shinier as well. Okay, looks like it's on. Ask for English. Ask for English. It's pretty much the same as every other watch apparently, so nothing special. The startup. I think I'll pair it later on and might post a video of that. Until then, thank you for watching. And I'm very bummed out that the box is not red. I thought I would get the red box, but hey, still good.
Is the charger red?
The charger is probably not red. Let me go ahead and put this over here for a second. Oh look, this is the... No, the charger's not red. And it's the same stainless steel charger that comes with the Apple Watch and Apple Watch Edition. It looks like it might be a longer cord. And it also comes with a lightning plug for the box, because you can use the box as well to charge it. Go ahead and put it back.
Okay.
All right.
Let me take a picture of it. Ew.
You okay?
Just spit on me.
You spit on the watch?
Just can't handle it.
I guess I gotta edit that video.
No, cancel. Press the digital crown. There we go. Oh wait, how do you turn it up?
It says to do it manually. Done.
Oh wow. Let me see. No, go back to that. Go back to this screen. No, go back.
The pairing stream? Start pairing?
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Alright, take a picture.
Take your gloves.
این چجوری استاپ میکنی علی؟
Don't put your gloves in the picture. Take your gloves off.
ها این چجوری استاپ منم گرفتم. بگو
Same.
خوبه؟
Same with you.